Wow, what an energetic performance by Likita. So, now that you've just watched the judges forum, let's explore some items where the dancer will showcase her proficiency in abhinaya, or the art of facial expressions and storytelling. The next piece is a kirtanam called Kundana Pubama, which means beautiful doll. Dedicated to Goddess Padmavati and Lord Vishnu, this piece consists of a shlokam, followed by a pallavi, anupallavi, and charna. The shlokam begins by singing praise of Lord Padmanabha, saying that he has a face as vibrant as a sapphire. He is the king of all gods and demolishes all of the demons. He holds a swift-moving conch shell in his hand, which is made from the 5 elements, or Panchabhuta. They are fire, water, earth, air, and space. He also holds Nandaki, which is his sword, Kaumodaki, which is his mace. He holds the bow and the Sudarshana chakra. It is his heart that is the home to Padmavati. The Pallavi begins by describing Goddess Padmavati's beautiful appearance, calling her a pretty doll. She has a face as bright as the moon and is the husband of Lord Vishnu. The Anupallavi continues, stating that she walks very gracefully and has speech as sweet as honey. All of this is to remove the pout from the face of Lord Vishnu, who is the husband of Alamelumanga and is the heir of all the arts. The Charanam goes back to singing praise of Lord Vishnu, endearingly calling him names like Raghava and Keshava. It is he who resides in Vaikuntha and blesses us with many boons, and brings out a lot of devotion from within us. This kirtanam is set in Kamas Ragam and Aditara. It is a traditional composition and is choreographed by Meenamati. Thank you, and please enjoy Kundana Pubama. One quick reminder for everybody, please do not leave your children unattended and running around during the show or after. And a quick announcement is to be made. There will be no food or drinks allowed inside the auditorium in order to stay respectful to the venue. Thank you.
రాఘవుడేవాడు కేశవుడేవాడు రాఘవుడేవాడు కేశవుడేవాడు రాఘవుడేవాడు కేశవుడేవాడు మేఘాలపై ఉండే వరదహస్తుడేవాడు రాఘవుడేవాడు కేశవుడేవాడు మేఘాలపై ఉండే వరదహస్తుడేవాడు నాగముల మన్నించే వెంకటేశుడేవాడు నాగముల మన్నించే వెంకటేశుడేవాడు ఆవరణ